Okay, once we have adjusted this position properly, we will perform the device reset operation. Reset position. After completing the reset operation, this will turn off. Okay, this means the reset is complete. Now let's turn on the vibration plate. There are 2 switches on the vibration plate. Just turn it on directly. Here is a sensor. One is a real sensor. In this way, the sensor will handle the material like this. Can you see? It will stop at a certain position. Once it senses here, the sensor won't move anymore. Once the sensor detects it, it will not take any action. Only when there's no detection will it continue working. You can adjust the vibration strength using these plus and minus controls. If you still find some jamming issues, there is a pneumatic tube here that can be connected. Right here, this tube lets you supply air, blowing onto it to assist the process. If there's no problem, you don't need to use this. Then we can click start. To start, just click once. This is the device's start mode. Just click it. Okay, now it's starting. Can you see? It's working. Then it moves over here pretending. Halfway. Then ultrasonic welding. After ultrasonic welding, just here it stays in position. This position, we can adjust the spacing. The spacing can be set between the 2 end caps. You can set how far it stays. Then you can adjust it accordingly. Okay, it has been shown. Done. Regarding the ultrasonic parameters, can you see the parameter page? The page shows ultrasonic welding time. You can lengthen or shorten this, making it longer, which means the welding time is longer. Other settings basically don't need to be changed. Just set the cylinder delay. The welding time can be fine-tuned according to actual results. This is the ultrasonic welding time. Once it reaches a certain length, we will switch to another material buffer later. Now it is already aligned. We can stop it now. Stop it. When you stop the air blower, it won't move anymore. It will operate. We can turn this off first. Yeah. Next, we will load this to the next machine.